Hey there mga my loves, Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng inyong reading mga babes, reminders na dito for all of you. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender detail, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross watchers. You're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, tingnan natin, no? Aquarius in love. Aquarius in love. Let's see. So, yeah. Just think how this resonates with you. Spirits and angel, guys. Archangel Michael. Tell me something about Aquarius in love. Let's check your heartbeat in your department area of romance and relationship. So, let's see. Aquarius in love. Spirits and angel, guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me something about my Aquarius in love. Alright, so thank you. So let's see Aquarius. First energy, we have the express your love. Someone here could be expressing, coming towards you. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So someone here could already be your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband. This person loves you. And this person is expressing that to you. You know that, mahal niya ako. Nagmamahalan kaming dalawa. Yan. Maybe this person looks at you and you feel his or her presence kahit hindi kayo magkasama. This person loves you. Nakikita ko sa kanya rito. So, whoever this individual is, if this person is not yet in relationship with you, this person is about to confess his or her love and feelings for you. So, wow, let's keep moving. That's a very good energy that we've got right here first off the bat. So whatever the case may be, this is someone here ready to prove you that he or she loves you, and willing siya na ipakita rin ito sa mga tao sa paligid mo, especially with your closest circle of friends, your family, or your community. Yeah! Honeymoons! Whatever the case may be, yung iba sa inyo, baka kayo ay kakasal na, or kayo ay ang i-express nyo sa inyo rito has something to do with proposal. Baka magpo-propose na sa inyo itong boyfriend ninyo or itong girlfriend ninyo. Wala tayong gender dito. And kung kayo ay mag-asawa na, this person could be preparing here for some kind of vacation for two. Yung kayong dalawa lang at maaaring cruising. No, baby, let's cruise. Yan, no, retreat away from other people, enjoying the two of you. Ano ba to? I can see that you are really in love with each other. No, kung may relationship na kayo, ang ganda ng samahan ninyo at mas lalo pang naghahanda itong person na to upang mas palalimin ang inyong connection at relationship, no? And this person is preparing this kind of proposal for those who are in relationship right now, preparing this vacation or trip for his or her wife or husband, just the two of them. And if this is a love confession, this person could be somehow preparing or planning to take you out, something special. Gusto niya sabihin ito, no, dun sa ibang lugar or sa isa-set up niya rito na lugar, pwedeng may kinalaman sa mga favorites mo kasi I'm hearing favorites. So, yeah, look at that. This is a very romantic, very sweet person right here. Wow. So, we have here the retreat. Kakasabi ko lang, di ba retreat? Sinabi ko. Sa maaaring ng babes, no? I can see two people right here matured, okay, na i-handle tong relationship na to. Feeling ko, no, matagal na kayong committed ng tao na yan or nakikita mo na siya as long-term commitment. Ipaamin pa lang to ng feeling sa'yo. Nakikita ka na niya as long-term commitment. Makakasama niya for his or her lifetime right here. See? This is retreat, no? Just the two of you, guys. Okay? Alam nyo, I can see, no, na para kayo rito. Alam nyo yun, regardless of your age, I can see two people who are really in love with each other. And if this is a new love right here, you're gonna fall for this person because this person's really romantic. And makikita mo na pure at clear ang kanyang intentions para sa'yo. Okay, tama na, itigil na natin ito hanggang dyan lang. Ang ganda guys, no? So Aquarius, I'm so excited for you mga mahal kasi this is someone here, no, na hindi kayo titipirin when it comes to vacation trips. Okay? Pinaghahandaan niya talaga ever. So, iba pwedeng sa proposal gawin, no, with malapit sa mountains or with body of water, so baka sa beach or with nature siya mag-propose ng marriage sa inyo. Wow. Well, I must say, the energy gives me this vibe of someone romantic. Okay? It's mas lalo pang mas magiging romantic. Yan. So, wow. And we also have here the compromise. I'm picking up, no, that with this compromise, alam niyo ba na una ko niisip rito, no, baka mainis kayo sa kanya. Kasi, I think, mga babes, no, palabiro siya at baka biruin niya kayo, no, to the point na parang sanay kasi kayo napansinin niya kayo, or sanay niya kasi kayo na parang, alam mo yun, binibaby niya kayo, or parang, palagi siyang nandyan sa tabi mo. Kahit hindi literal, no? Yung presence niya, nagchat-chat siya, tumatawag siya, yung ganun, no? Pero alam mo yun, no? Part lang pala yun ng plan. Kasi meron talaga siya rito gustong i-express sa'yo. Something special. At yun nga yung marriage or vacation trip, no? Parang ano kanya, ano kanya rito, yung parang aasarin, ititrip, no, mantitrip siya sa'yo rito, no, to the point na, I don't know kung mabilis kang mapikon, or mabilis kang maasar, no, kasi parang nakita ko dito, asar talo. At nakukuha ko sa energy mo yun. So, whatever the case may be, no, nakikita ko dito na baka mainis ka, na parang hindi kanya pinapansin, or parang nagiging busy siya rito. Ano ka ba? Pinagkakandaan niya kasi yung ano mo, no, at saka feeling ko naman, no, nagmumultitask siya rito. It's just that, no, siguro, dahil sobrang ginagawa niyang very special ito. No, syempre, kailangan niya muna itago lahat. Hindi na surprise pag sinabi niya sa'yo, no ka ba? Talaga to slow. So, whatever the case may be, yun nga yun, mare, no? Or yun nga yun kasi pre, diba? This special person, romantic person in your life is preparing something for you, diba? Kaya huwag ka na magtampo-tampo rurut dyan, no? So, whatever the case may be, someone here is wanting to express his or her love for you. Eh, gusto ka talaga nito. Sobrang gustong-gusto ka niya. Yun na masasabi ko dito. And we have here the flirt. See? I'm seeing na sobrang alandi yung dalawa pag magkasama lang kayo. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. So, nakikita ko rito yung napaka-young energy. Not necessarily na age ang nagiging basehan dito, no? Hindi ganun. I'm seeing two people, no, na parang yung pakiramdam nila, no, is para silang teenager, no, and they are having this kind of young love, no, and I'm seeing this two people right here enjoying, playing, no, enjoying the sceneries, okay, holding hands together, watching sunsets together. Ganda guys, no, sa'yo nakalala yan. Ang romantic ng approach. Alam niyo, meron ako nakita rito na baka favorite niyo yung panuurin yung sunrise or sunset, no? Ibibigay niya yun. Parte yun ng plano. So, whatever the case may be, ganda guys. Whew, very romantic. Baka dyan niya pagawin yung dinner light candle. Ganyan. Very romantic. Try mo po ako dito. Yan. We have here that you're ready. This person is ready. And I think you do. Okay, this person is ready to get involved in your life forever. Hindi nyo lang ko rin naririnig ko. Aquarius, naririnig ko yung palitan. Alam niyo yung microphone na yung kunyari, nagtanong na yung pare, no? And then, yung narinig ko is yung I do, and then narinig ko rin yung I do from other side. So, it gives me this kind of message that this is really marriage. Marriage. So, whatever the case may be, you're ready, this person's ready. And I can see that this is something deep. This connection will be for long term, for lifetime it is. Whether it's a brand new love right here, this person's gonna sees you as the one for him or her. Na willing siya rito to be with you, with his or her whole life. Oh. Kilig. At the bottom of the deck, we have here in the near future. Yeah! In the near future, immediate future, very, very soon. Yun nga yun, mga mahal. No? Very, very soon in the near future. This is the angels right here guiding this relationship, protecting this bond with whoever this person is. A perfect match. You are really dabi-dabis. Nakikita ko nagmamahalan talaga kayo ever. Yeah. So, yeah. Wow, Aquarius. What more can I say? You're in love and this person's in love. You're both in love. So, just enjoy this very moment right here and congratulations in advance. Yeah. You deserve to be loved like this. So, thank you so much, Aquarius, sa ngayong love and life. Annyeong!